it's back. The one heat challenge. Last time, I made a hammer in one heat. Today, I'm gonna attempt to make a flatter in just one heat. Rules are simple, you got one heat, knock it out underneath the power hammer. If you're not familiar what a flatter is, it's got a big flat surface, put a handle on it, and you strike it with a hammer to smooth out your work after you're done forging. It's a pretty cool thing, and we're gonna give it a shot. Here we go. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe to the channel, click right there. If you haven't seen the one heat hammer being made, click right there. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. think I'm gonna go give that another run under the power hammer. So much fun.